Hi guys, I have an issue. I have a big issue here. The shader is quite complete. Now it's fantastic and it works perfectly. I had to fine tune some things inside it, and now I think it's perfect. There is a misalignment right now into the streak because I was working on it. But the big issue is that now I was working at the interface because this is the complex shader that I've made to make just this on one plane in Blender. And I didn't know that in Blender you can't bring into one shader more than 16 attributes from the geometry nodes or from other attributes like these. I can't bring them more than 16. In my case, here is the light scale, the light brightness, the blur of the light, and color, the change. I don't know if now, yeah, it worked a little. It's hard to see the color of the light. But if I add one more control to the ghost right now, this is the disconnected control. I have the pink screen. The pink screen for ChatGPT is the screen that I get when the Blender or the GPU, I don't know, the graphic card, doesn't compile correctly the shaders because there are too many values that comes from here. And so I don't know what to do. And I'm having a lot of discussions with my friend Alfonso, that is the one who work at the code. For now, there are different ways, but I tried a lot of ways and nothing seemed to work because I've tried to bring values as vectors so I can use X, Y, and Z to port 3 attributes instead of 1. But the problem are the attributes that go inside into our shader, not the attribute that comes out from here. So I think I will have to subdivide. Subdivide in Blender is not correct because it means another things, but I need to fragment this shader. I need to take the ghost into one shader, the ring into other shader, the glow into another shader, the streaks into another shader. So I need to make more shader because maybe that finally I will have 10 attributes which I can use to control each shader, and we need a lot of attributes because scale, brightness, blur, color, X scale, Y scale, number of ghosts, the number of sides. We need a lot of control here. So maybe I will make more shaders and then I will make more than one plane, because on just one plane I will have this big issue. It was wonderful to work on just one plane here because all the things that we know and because of cycles and other things, but maybe I have to compose this and recompose on 8 planes maybe, and 8 planes mean that in cycles we'll have to work with the transparent light path now is 1. Maybe we need to work with 8 transparent light path. That is the number of default of Blender, I think, 8. It's perfect, but I need a lot of work to make it work, and I don't know if I will be able to bring this inside our Flared2 or if it will be something different, Flare3, Flare 2.5, Flare the blah 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 blah. I don't know. Thank you for watching, and if you have any suggestions, please write. Thank you so much. Bye bye.